Hello students, this is your geography teacher Shobha Chaudhary. Today we are going to know about non-conventional sources. As the demand for power is increasing, attempts are being made to tap new non-conventional sources of power. Most of these sources of power are inexhaustible or renewable. We can take example of nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is obtained by the fission of the nuclei of certain elements like uranium and thorium. This process gives out a lot of energy and some harmful radiation. The energy is used to heat water to make steam. The steam runs generators to produce electricity. Power plants that generate nuclear, also called atomic. So, power plants that generate nuclear power require very little fuel and they cause less pollution than coal based power plants. But the radiations from the process and the waste can be a problem. Special structures are built to prevent radiation leakage, making the plant and the waste disposal facilities costly. Also, an accident in the plant can cause radiation to leak out the harm plants and animals over a very large area. Nuclear energy is non-renewable as the ores of uranium, thorium, etc. will ultimately get used up. So, however, this will take a long time as only a small amount of fuel produces a huge amount of energy. We can take example of the countries like Canada, Australia. They are leading producers of the world in the production of uranium. The chief nuclear fuel is produced in Canada and Australia more. The USA, France, Japan, Russia and Germany are some of the major producers of nuclear power. The names which are coming here you have to find out in the atlas. While taking classes, I have already shown you all these countries in the world map. So in your atlas, you all have to see, you have to again locate, find out all these countries. Now, in our country, in India, uranium is mined mainly in Jharkhand and thorium is obtained from the monazite sands found on the shores of Kerala, coastal area of Kerala. There are atomic power plants at Tarapur, it is in Maharashtra, Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu, Kota and Rawat Bhata, that is in Rajasthan, Narora, it is in Uttar Pradesh, Kaiga in Karnataka. So these are the some examples of nuclear power plants. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.